Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 23rd, 2024, and we're over here in the old greenhouse. I wanted to show you the Ranunculus seedlings that I planted last year have bloomed this year for me. This is the matchy mix, and there's a weed that tried to come up in here, so I'm going to have to get that out then. There we go. Much better. And I wanted to show you what this looks like. This is the matchy mix, and beautiful yellow blooms on it. Now these were started last year from seed, and I do videos on my channel for how to start ranunculus from seed. And these did produce the corms, and this one here actually we left it in the container and it started sprouting on its own this year. So we gave it some water and left it grow, and bloomed beautifully for us here. Oh, I love this color. It's so gorgeous. So I just wanted to share this with you here. I do have some other ones that are growing that were seedlings from last year, but this is the first one to bloom, so I wanted to show it to you here. Because I was asked the question, if you grow these from seed, do they actually bloom? Do they produce the corms? So the answer is yes, they do produce the corms. Yes, they will bloom for you. It takes them a little bit of time to establish themselves. If I would have had them planted sooner last year, they most likely would have actually bloomed last year, but I had them planted a little bit later. So, and I do have different videos on my channel for growing ranunculus. I will have some links at the end of this video that you can click on and see some different things on how to grow ranunculus. One thing we are watching is that we do not overwater this because we don't want to rot the corms. That's something that ranunculus do not like, is to have too wet of soil. And this is about in a 4-inch container here. And look at how gorgeous these blooms are. There's an ant crawling around. So if there's an ant on there, then there's most likely some aphids on there. And now this here is another one of my ranunculus seedlings here. This is in about a 4-inch container. And this is another matchy mix here. And you can see this one here does have the bud in for it to bloom. I'm really excited to see what color this one here is going to be. And this one here is another one. This one's not doing as well. I think it got overwatered. So I've been trying to cut back on the water on that one there. But the matchy mix is one of my favorite mixes to grow for ranunculus. I love the blooms. I love the colors that it comes in. And like I said, you can grow it from seed. And you can save the corms from these and then replant them. So I do have a video for how to save the corms. I have that on my channel. I will put a link at the end of this video that you can click on, and you can see how I store and save my ranunculus corms for planting the following year. Please don't forget to check out the community tab on my channel. I have different things on there for different stuff that's coming up. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!